Hey, I need an explainer video for my business.
Tell me about your message and goals.
I want to communicate my message effectively and efficiently.
We'll work together to outline your video's purpose and key points.
That sounds great. What's next?
You will provide the information you want included, and our team will craft a compelling script that clearly conveys your message. Then, we'll create a storyboard to visualize the flow and content of your video.
That sounds like a lot of work. How long will it take?
We work efficiently to meet your deadlines and deliver exceptional results. We'll keep you updated with the timeline and deliverables.
I'm excited to see the final product.
Once approved, we'll deliver the final video ready for you to share. Let Graflix help you communicate your message effectively with a custom explainer video. Contact us today to get started.